Hey, so about almost 3 months ago now, I ordered all my parts to build a keyboard. Why? Well, I wanted to build a keyboard and my friend built a keyboard, so I was like, oh, why not build one? I mean, like, it's pretty cool. So today, I'm going to be going over every single thing I did to build my keyboard. For the switches, I'm going to be using Gateron Yellows today. And along with that, I'm going to be using Krytox 205G0 along with some tools. Now, for the lubing process, the process where you have to open up each individual switch and pretty much apply some lube using a brush onto all the points of friction. And for this, I used a video from Taya Types. I think it's a great video and it'll be linked in the description.
Dip your brush in your lube and gather enough lube on the tip. I transfer half of the lube onto one of the slider rails and then deposit the remaining half on the other slider rail. I like to use whatever is left over and apply a thin coating on the two bumps on the leaf. I take a somewhat generous amount of lube and spread it across one end of the wire. Install it back onto the bottom switch housing. Repeat the lubing process for the other end of the spring that's exposed. We're going to take about half a gold switch pin sized amount of lube. Deposit half of the lube onto one of the stem sliders. Then deposit the rest on the opposite stem slider. And I just dab the back face a couple times, as well as the top portion of the front face with the switch legs. I evenly spread the lube. Reassemble the switch.
And I had to do that 63 more times. For the case, I'm going to be using a keyboard kit from Skylung, which is the GK64XS, and it's both wired and Bluetooth. And with this kit, you're also provided with a dual spacebar adapter. And moving on to the keycaps, I'm just using some off-brand GMK keycaps with yellow modifier keys. These aren't the best, but they do look good. And so with the keyboard done, here is a typing test. Hey, so I hope you guys liked this video and Happy New Year's. I'm a bit late since I didn't really have the time to edit this video, especially since I just came back to school from winter break. But I plan on making some more videos and possibly some more streams this year, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, that's it. Bye.